Fidgets. Fidgets, say hi.
Knuckle Wiggle, hi guys.
Hi. As you can, Fidgets, tell them where we are.
We at water park.
Yeah, she already got a little wet.
Fidget's playing water.
You want to go in here?
Sure, Fidget's.
Brave enough.
Okay, see you there.
You want to go sit down?
Yeah, Fidgets take breaks.
Okay, you go take a break. I have a surprise!
Fidgets, surprise! Why wet Fidgets like that? Fidgets was drying. Fidgets said awesome!
Oh, I'm sorry, baby. Okay.
You mean, Mommy.
This child's play.
Mommy, go away. I sit in sun.
Oh, I'm sorry, baby girl.
Oh, Fidget's not surprised. No. No, I really eat pig hamster. Ha!
Oh, that's it! Turn on the water!
Yep, Fidgets says, oh no, no, Mommy, no, you don't get Fidgets. Oh, Teal winner. Ah, Teal, so funny. Oh, I'm mad, you Mommy. Teal winner for sure. No, Mommy, don't do it.
You know why I did that? It's because you rushed.
Teal funny. Oh, Teal, very funny. You do funny dance. Okay. Teal, I gotta take nap until we go to park. Night.
Fidgets, wake up, baby.
Oh, that was a long nap.
It got too hot for the park, but we got you something else.
What is it?
It's an icy.
Oh, I never had icy.
You want to try it?
Yeah. Oh, Fidgets love it. Oh, yes. Yes. Oh. Oh, yeah.
Oh, that was a mistake.
Oh, I think Fidgets is gonna have a big hamster to eat today.
Well, we're not even at home yet.
Okay, don't worry. When we get home, it's gonna be a hamster eating party.
We'll probably show that on camera.
Oh my goodness. Oh, yay. Oh,
Note to self, never give Fidgets ices
Okay,
before
Fidgets
the
is
party.
gonna drink more. See you later.
Hey guys, so we're at home right now. Fidgets has a tummy ache.
I puked too much syrupy.
Okay, so
She good
We're
thing
gonna-
she can't eat the guinea pig.
yeah.
Guinea pigs are still delicious.
I'm gonna give her temper tantrum stuff,
Or like she liked to call it,
and
big hamster.
and I'm
Big
hoping
hamster.
this does help with the nausea.
Oh, Fidgets are tummy night.
Look at
Oh,
Guys, this is, I think, one of the fastest fidget spinners, other than one of my sisters.
oh, cool, Tio. Very cool. Oh, I drink medicine. Pew.
There you go.
Medicine bad.
Medicine's good.
Oh.
This is actually the fastest finish.
We're gonna put her in her little undies.
Okay.
It actually shakes itself.
Wow.
Oh, guys,
And this is the
Well-
one that did 7 minutes
Oh.
without stopping.
we're going to be making how to make her bathing suit soon. And also, if you want to know how to make this for your older Nerlies, see you guys later.
Good night. Oh, Nikki time.
You don't want to be in a wet bathing suit.
Oh.
And also, we if you want to know how to fasten these, if you're making this, just put little safety pins. It works.
Okay, Fidgets, get on
It's
diaper.
not a diaper, it's underwear.
It looks like diaper.
Okay, don't look.
Fidgets naked.
They've seen her nude.
Nudie Fidgets. Okay, Fidget, go night from tummy ache.
Okay.
Joshua.
Since you're really cold, I'll put you in here.
Night, mommy.
Max have it.
Go to
made.
sleep.
Oh, your little brother's like, I love this. Make sure.
Oh no, the day fell down.
Here, let me put this up because somehow he got that down.
Good night, mommy.
Night. Well, see you guys later. Watch out for new videos.
Don't watch out. Watch it. Because I don't want some people to get a bad vibe from